How to back read old post in Messenger. Hello and welcome to 1 2 Step. I'm back with a new quick and easy tutorial video on how you can back read old post in Messenger. First of all, open your Messenger application on your device. Make sure you have downloaded it on your device. Now from the left hand side, tap on the conversation with the person whose old message you want to read. Now once you reach to the conversation page, swipe or scroll up through the conversation history. Keep scrolling until you reach the older messages you want to read. If scrolling through many messages takes too long, you can use the search icon right at the top of the conversation and there enter your keywords or phrases related to your messages you are looking for, and the messenger will filter the conversation to show relevant messages. You can also tap on this three dot at the top right and scroll down. You will find media, files and links section. Here click on this see all button right here to view shared photos by date. This can help you navigate to the messages sent on the specific date. Pay attention to the timestamps on the messages to track the chronology of the conversation. So by following these steps, you should be able to back read old messages in Messenger easily. So that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.